Hey guys, alright, we are here. Otaigo Tire Center. Alright. Apparently this shop sells like really good used tires, second-hand tires. So we're gonna go and check it out. So I'll take more videos on it. Hey guys, I'm here. That's crazy, a lot of tires here. Like a lot. Like you could just choose like whatever tire you want here. Oh, this one, I think I use this on the F430. This I think is 325, I guess. Yep, 325. You can see how wide it is. Oh my god, it's crazy, a lot of tires. Everything smells like tires. Alright, I was thinking to go either this size, so this size 275 40 90, I think. I'm not so sure if it can fit the rim though, but yep, let's go and ask him and check it out. Oh, there's more tires over here. They have their own jack as well, and yeah, they can do all the tires and everything here as well. No alignment though. Hey guys, alright, so I'm gonna get this one 245 40 90 far road. Apparently this one has extremely good review. I've checked online as well. So yep, they're gonna install it after this. Max speed 270. Oh shit, I plan to go 300 plus. So I've got my tires. It doesn't fit in the bonnet, so I have like oh yeah, laundry. Oh shit, I forgot the laundry. Got my bag, I got my 2JZ rear sum here. I hope I don't go through roadblock though, you know, or JPJ or what. The guy's gonna be asking, bang, tayar letak kat rim bang, bukan kat front seat. Tak apalah. So I got this new tire. It's a far road, as I explained to you guys just now. So apparently a review is good. I'm gonna go and get it installed. He does the installation as well, guys. Do check it out. It's Otaigo Tyres. It's at Sri Kebangan. It's shop here, the one you guys saw earlier. So yep, I'm gonna get it fixed. See you guys later. Alright, so we've arrived at Swap Garage. That's right. Beside him is Drift House. So it's a very long journey. Betul lah bro? Hello? Sihat walafiat eh? Alright, so I'm gonna drop off the rear sum first, and then I'm gonna go and get these tires fixed. So see you guys later. Alright, so we are at Tyre Plus Service in Puchong, Bandar Puchong. Alright, so here's the plan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the rear 235 35, put it back to the front, front now is 225, as you can see, it's coming out. So I'm gonna put that, and then I'm gonna put the new one, which is the 245 40 19 on the rear. Hope it doesn't rub though, but should be no worries, because I will run adjustables sooner or later on. I mean, I love the comfort of it, but yeah, I don't plan on being too comfort on this car. I mean, GTI is much more stable, and I'm fine with that as well. So I'm gonna wait for a while until there's one more car to be done, and yeah, I'll do a time slot with it. Hey guys, alright, I did not did a review just now because I was rushing back, so I couldn't did a review right after the installation of the tires. I had to go and send the laundry. If you guys noticed that I forgot the laundry, and I had to get some stuff as well. So here's just a review. I got back, I showered, I had my dinner, so now I'm just gonna do a simple review. This is a rear tires that I had, so I replaced it to the front. Fits perfectly, probably 3 fingers. Yep, you could enter 3 fingers. Yeah, that's what she said. And this is the rear tires. Looks good, fits perfectly. 2 finger though. This one is a little bit tight. That sounds wrong, but yep, everything seems nice. It rides really well though. I really love these tires though. I mean, I understand it's not, you know, Michelin or anything, but for whoever's on budget, yeah, I mean, no one wants to spend 1,000 plus on tires sometimes, you know. Someone's on budget, they want something new, and it works well, it rides well, and I would say that tire works really well. See, the main reason I didn't spend so much on a proper tires, I mean, if you guys notice, all my cars have perfect tires, like Michelin PS4, Cup 2 on the F4 Trio as well. I have PSS on the GTR, and also R888 on the rear in case I want to drag or launch perfectly. And that is the plan as well. So I'm gonna get a rear rim, probably 17-inch, and probably slap in R888 with super thick sidewall. That way I have much more grip. So, oh yeah, I brought back the front tires. Still thick though, still very thick, if you guys can see. Yep, that's lots of gap. Yeah, it's really deep though. This tire can definitely still be used. Probably sell it after this. If any of you guys wants it, you know, let me know, and I'll hook you guys up for a really good price. So that's about it guys. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.